Hello students, now we are proceeding with our lecture on propositional logic. Okay, see here we are going to study about the logic gates, but before going to the logic gate, we must study about the how Boolean algebra came to into existence. How we come to know what is Boolean algebra. First, we were going to study that solely. Okay, this was developed by George Boole. He discovered a link between mathematics and logic. See, it is far about very much difference between mathematics and logic. Mathematics is dependent upon some certain formulas, and it is based on that only. But in logic is a mind. How we are going to prove that thing? So he developed symbolic logic, which became very useful to solve logical problems in mathematics, and which was named as Boolean algebra. Now, Boolean algebra only deals with two values. The two values are true and false. As we all know that we symbolize false with 0 and true with 1. Okay? In the in the year 1938, Claude Shannon developed a practical approach of Boolean algebra by applying a single diversion to an electronic telephone. He used to relays in the circuit to show the application of two-state switching. In 1938, Claude Shannon exceeded more, and he developed the electronic telephone. And he proved his logic by the circuits. And in circuit, he conduct two stages. One was on, and second was off. And this is the reason why we all say that Boolean algebra is also called as switching to algebra. Okay. Now see, for this first we have to learn how the truth table is formed. Okay. Claude Shannon's intervention produced a revolutionary change in the field of electronic engineering. Scientists realized the application of Boolean algebra in computer electronics, and then the truth table was formed. What is truth table? So beta, it is a tabular structure which shows the input values used and output produced through the logical process. It again pay attention towards the what is truth table. It is a tabular structure, okay, which shows the input values. Means which first we have to show the input values. Suppose we have one value, then it is 2 to the power n 1. Okay, when again and again we have two variables, then it is 2 to the power 2. Okay, it means it will be of 4. And if it is again of three variables, then 2 to the power 4. Okay, like that it will 2 to the power 3, like that it will exceed. Okay, now see binary valued quantities. We have already discussed about the Boolean algebra deals with the logical process. The outcome of any logical statement may result in true or false. Okay. Now see, first question is, did you go to school today? Second, will it rain today? Is 5 a prime number? Each statement show above may have answer as either yes or no. So it can be represented by true or false. Means 1 or 0. 1 will be represented for true and 0 will be represented for false. Okay. The result of any logical statement, true or false, is also termed as truth value, and the representation is called as truth table. Okay. Now see here Boolean variable. What are the Boolean variables? A variable is similar to any variable. Okay, you can take any variable. It is not certain defined that in Boolean you have to take only A or B. It can be X and Y. The variable can be different. So, okay, as you all used in algebra. In mathematics, a variable can be assigned any decimal number, but in Boolean variable, it contains only either 0 or 1. Hence, we can say that a Boolean variable is also termed as binary valued variable. Okay. Now first of all we are going to learn about the logical operators. In before you all have also learned about in the when we were doing the PPT of propositional logic, but again we are going to revise it with logical operators, see, such as not and or. First, not logical operator. The operator provides complement of the given binary values quantities that convert zeros into one and ones into zero. It is represented by as see it is represented by these two signs. We can represent not like with these two signs. See, it is 2 to the power 0. So a has it is a single variable. First we represent with false, then true, 0 and 1, and when will use not operator, then it will become 1 and 0. Like that only. For the or operator, the sign is represented by plus. The operator used addition of binary valued quantities. 0 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. In this, one condition should be true, then the other will be also true. Okay. Now see here truth table for the logical or operator. See here, two variables are there. It means two false, two true, one false, one true, one false, one true. Then a plus b, one condition should be true. Then here it is a plus b true. When both are false, then it is false. And the both conditions should be true. Okay, it is just denoted as we can say that of multiplication sign, the operator results in product of two or more binary valued quantities. It is denoted by dot. 0 dot 0 will be 0, 0 dot 1 will be 0, 1 dot 0 will be 0, and 1 dot 1 is 0. Okay, see here the logical table, truth table has been of and has been represented here. Okay, pay attention towards there. Now Boolean expressions. What are the Boolean expressions? How we are going to show them? Mathematical algebra uses operators like plus, minus, multiplication, division, power, etc. to deal with the mathematical functions. For example, we can write a plus b. Here we can write it, we can represent it here. Now how we are going to represent in the propositional statement? See, it rains and you play football. This is your propositional statement. But how you are going to represent in Boolean? X and Y. Suppose X is it rains and you play football, and Y is you play football. It will be represented by X and Y. Two sentences has been combined with the help of and. Okay. Now either you read your book or go to bed. Means or has been used. This is your first sentence. Say first sentence is you read your book, and second is your go to bed. X or Y. Okay. See, this has been represented like this. Okay, expressions has been shown here. Now we will do some two examples. Drawing of truth table with the help of Boolean expressions. Expression has been given here. You have to draw a truth table. Okay, three variables here. Three variables are a, b, c. It means you have to take 8 inputs. See how it has been done. Truth table of a, b, c. First we have to write truth table a, b, c. A is 4 times false, 4 times true. B 2 times false, then true, false, true, and C here 1 time. Like that, like this, we are going to make three variables truth table. Then first we will solve the bracket A and B, A dot B. When both the condition are true, okay, then we have it will be 1, and see here truth is like that we are going to solve a problem, okay, expression, and how we are going to make the truth table. Students, go through it very thoroughly. If there is any confusion, you can ask my personal WhatsApp number. I am going to send PPT of this. Sorry, I am going to send PDF of this PPT.